tutorial, and today we are going to be making a little falling simulation thing. Okay, so we'll press create here, and we can use the cat today. You can use whatever you want. You could press this button here. I'm not going to press it, but and find a character and click on it, and then click it. It would appear here, and then you'd click on it and put the code in there, but I'm just going to use this cat. So we want this cat to just start at the top of the screen and realistically fall to the bottom. At the end, I might make him look like he's falling, or maybe that won't happen. Okay, so let's name it Falling Cat. Oh, falling cat. Okay, when green flag clicked, let's not put a forever there yet. So we're going to press this variables button here, and two-finger click on this, press the delete my variable button, and press make a variable. Now let's just call it grav, short for gravity. Now you'll see a little number thing appears up there, and you can use it to count things and change the steps by the amount of things, and you can change it. But we're going to use this as a gravity thing. So yeah, what we're going to do is make our cat start at the top. So let's just change this to because we want him to bounce off the ground. We don't want him touching this edge and just bouncing away. So make sure he's not quite touching the top, and let's have them in the exact middle. 0. Okay, and let's go. Okay, so we want him to fall, and fall a slightly little bit faster each segment he moves. So let's use the change y by block, and we'll you've got this little grav thing. You can drag it out and pop it in a number, something the same shape as it, and then it will change y by grav. Right now grav is 0, so change y by grav. Grav is 0 right now, so it will just do nothing. But we can change it by a little bit more each time we fall, and then we will be able to make him look like he's falling. So we're going to get change grav by. We'll change this to -1. And let's just use repeat forever, and when green flag clicked. So now if we click this, oh, that's because, silly me. We need to set grav to 0, and put a forever loop around this. Whoop. There we go, that's better. Nice smooth falling effect. We kind of want him to stop on the bottom, so let's use if on edge bounce. We might not need rotation style left, right. Oh, yeah. we're using that block rotation style left right. And let's press point in the direction handy. Yes, there you go. He kind of shakes on the bottom a bit, but it's good. Oh, one last thing. You can find this tick here and click the tick and it disappears, so you can't see that around. Okay, something fun. So let's click costumes. I just like to delete this because you don't need it by pressing the little bin. And what we're going to do is make sure you've got your blue square on the little mouse. It says select, and you can click this arm here and just press delete. Sorry arm, but we're deleting you. And so click this here and press copy and paste. There you go, another arm. Now we'll make him press this flip horizontal button. That's kind of vast and flipped over or backward. You can make him look like he's falling however you like, but I'm just doing this. And, oh, hit this a few times. There you go. Well, kind of looks like he's falling, I guess. Now when it, there, falling, and stopping. Well, thank you for watching, and please follow me. Subscribe. Used to Scratch. You can follow Cool Cow Guy on Scratch with your account by just clicking this button here. When you you don't need to worry about that. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Next video coming out soon.